Today is a special day because we're going to take over original sails that have faithfully carried us from Mallorca to Scheveningen. But after many nautical miles and countless adventures, it's time for a change. We've partnered with Hagoort Sails to provide us with top quality sails for the next part of our journey. For the people that don't know Julien, he likes to joke around a lot. We previously had a 150% genoa, but we decided to go for a slightly smaller one at 130%. This adjustment allows us to have more control and responsiveness in various wind conditions, while maintaining a strong performance. Our furling mainsail is 48 square meters and features vertical sail buttons. This design choice was made specifically for the convenience of furling, ensuring smooth handling and storage. So this is the Hagoort Zero, right?
Yeah.
It's the biggest one, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but the lightest one.
Hagoort Zero is for light winds.
Yeah. Only light ones.
The Hagoort Zero is a 110 square meter sail and is also on a furling system, which we can attach to the removable bowsprit made from aluminium.
Go like this.
One year has passed and Julien finally got his haircut again. So we're on our way to Ijmuiden. We left 2 hours ago.
Yeah, we filmed the tent, but...
And we still see Scheveningen.
Yeah, it's a really nice sail today, but it's going really slow. About 4 knots now. We have 16 nautical miles to go. We only did say about 6 or 7 nautical miles to now. So. But the wind's picking up a little bit and it's getting nicer and nicer. Seeing the coast of Wassenaar. And it's a sailing. Nice.
Bit chilly. I'm wearing gloves. The sun is nice.
She's always cold.
I've wearing them before. Shut up. So we're almost at Ijmuiden. 1 hour left until we are at the harbor. We decided to put the engine on because otherwise we will get there at 10 o'clock at night, right? Mm-hmm. We put the engine on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a lot of wind today. So we made it to the harbor of Ijmuiden. We're at the entrance right now. It's always a bit choppy right here. You can see. After an easy sail, we arrived at Ijmuiden. we went to the beach for a few drinks and had dinner at the boat. So we're on our way back to Scheveningen.
Nice coffee.
It's a bit misty. The next morning we left to go back to Scheveningen again. Unfortunately, we had no wind for the first 2 hours. After that the wind picked up and we arrived a few hours later. In our next week's episode, we're going to show you Julien's father's sailboat, who previously belonged to Julien. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.